Kia ora, welcome to Bustaz. So this bench top's ready now for sanding and oiling, so we'll get into that now. So in this video, we're sanding and oiling a Macrocarpa bench top with epoxy knot holes. So my first sanding is 80 grit. That's going to get rid of marks like this one. So next will be 150 grit. This will take out any sanding marks left by the 80 grit. Then finally we're into 240 grit, very fine, and we'll leave the timber very smooth and ready for oil. So sand it to 240, epoxy to 1200 for a nice glassy finish. This wood is ready for my wax wood protector. It's fairly thin and simply goes on with a brush. Hands up everyone who wants to watch me paint. Didn't think so. So let's fast forward. So it's been 24 hours, the wood protector has dried, and now we're ready to put on the first coat of oil. Already the grain's showing up really nice, and hopefully the oil will only enhance that. So let's get into that. First we'll give it a dust off, just in case any dust has fallen on it overnight, and then we will start oiling it. Okay, first coat of oil now dry. Time for another coat. And here's how we look now with 2 coats of oil on. So that's the wax wood protector and 2 coats of Osmo Top Oil. Looking pretty good. Because I'm putting it on so thin, I'm probably going to put a few more coats on before I consider it done. Well, there we go. For all intensive purposes, this is finished. I am actually going to put on a couple more coats, but I won't bore you with that. It's going to look pretty much the same as this. So now I need to get some cabinetry built to put it in the bus. So there we have it. An oiled bench top. So what we used was Osmo wood protector as a base, and we followed that with Osmo Top Oil. Now I went for the acacia, which is a little dark in that it's got a little wee bit of stain in it, just to darken up what was a very light Macrocarpa, to give it a little more life. I simply applied it with microfiber cloth, nothing too flash there, rubbing it in rather than painting it on. in between coats I gave it a little rub down with this kind of scouring pad thing, just to remove any roughness on the surface. So I'm really happy with the way this has turned out. There's a big gnarly knot here, which is pretty cool. My epoxy is looking really good. The finish is exactly what I was hoping for. I also knocked up a little breadboard. So thanks for watching. I'm going to chuck a sink into this and throw it into the bus, so keep watching and we'll show you that. Otherwise, take care, hit all those buttons, and we'll see you next time.